Logitech just launched their first ever concept store here in the Philippines, and everyone's so excited about it. Alongside with that, they give huge discounts and freebies to the end users, and the celebration doesn't stop there. They still have this Choose Your Hero campaign where you get a chance to win an MSI laptop, a Logitech 560 gaming speakers, and a whole lot more if you buy any of the selected Logitech products on the Logitech partner stores. This is just until September 5, so you still have time to join. To know more about this promotion, all you need to do is just check the description above because I'll be posting it there. But for now, let's go to the unboxing part. This is the first time I'll be unboxing a Logitech product, so I'm very excited about this. We have here a Logitech G502 Hero. This is part of the promotion that is happening right now. And we have a G512 carbon mouse and a keyboard. So I have here something that I still don't know, or I do know. Okay, we'll be unboxing it right now. Okay, let's start off with the mouse. Let's move this big box aside first and this keyboard. This is the Logitech G502 Hero Mouse. They have an ongoing campaign for this, the Choose Your Hero campaign. So if you buy this mouse, you'll get a voucher and of course a chance to win an MSI laptop and the Logitech speakers. Okay, so we have here the mouse itself. It's wired. Oh, what's this? What's this for? Interesting. What's this for? Oh, geez. The weights are here. So cute. It's a compartment for the weights. It has 3.6 gram weights inside. We have here the manual, some documents that you don't usually read. Anyway, this is actually the upgraded version of the Logitech G502. This one is the G502 Hero. As you can see, it still has the same form and shape, but the real upgrade comes inside. So it posts the latest Logitech high efficiency rate optical that has 16K sensor. So you'd expect that each flicks and each strokes will be more precise and accurate than before, since it will be more responsive because of the Hero technology that Logitech upgraded in this mouse. It also has the Logitech Light Sync RGB for the RGB lovers out there, and it has 11 programmable buttons. Aside from that, it also has the onboard memory where you can save your own settings. So if your friend is going to borrow your mouse or someone's gonna use your mouse, you can save the profile there. It has textured rubber on the side, textured rubber grips on the side, and it's braided. I think let's move on to the keyboard now. Okay, so we have here the Logitech G512 Carbon, one of the latest keyboard of Logitech. Oh, geez, there you go. Let's put it here and let's open the box. Oh, wow. So inside you'll see the keyboard itself with the plastic and the braided cable and a manual and warranty. So let's move this black box aside first. Let's check it out. It's not that heavy for a mechanical keyboard. So first off, when it comes to the design, I really like it because it's plain, it's simple, it's minimalist, and you'll see the brushed aluminum design here for the top case. And let's check on the switches. I'm not really familiar with Roamer G switches, but I have here a Roamer G tactile. It also comes with Roamer G linear. This have that Logitech Light Sync that the Logitech G502 mouse Hero mouse also have. so it is really compatible with that mouse. Aside from that, we have here the carbon black version of this keyboard. It also have that silver color, but I'm not sure if it is available here in the Philippines. Well, that's everything. Oh, it also has a USB 2.0 here and stand and the rubber so that it won't slip. Anti-slip rubber underneath. I like it. It's so simple and nice. Okay, let's move on to the big box. So, we already unboxed the mouse, Logitech keyboard. What else are we missing? Let's check it here on the big box. Let's check it out. Aw, this is so cute. Hear like a pro, sound like a pro. I know what this is. One purpose, play to win. Ta ta ta. I want to show it to you like this. Okay, let's open the box now. Whoa, this is so nice. Hold on, hold on. Inside the box, it comes with a headset stand because we're gonna unbox the headset. There you go. Logitech headset stand. And of course, this all-new Logitech Pro X headset that they have. Wow, I like the box. Nothing else inside. I'm gonna keep this box. Okay, let's move it here. And let's unbox this headset. This is still not available in the market, but it will be available online in Lazada around September. Okay, so let's get this headset out of the box. Ooh, this is so exciting. It still have a cover. Okay, so this is the, oh, this is the, my heart. This is the headset. You can see with the packaging, it's so premium. It has Logitech G stickers and a small pamphlet for the manual. We have here the sound card and the foam. This is the cloth pads that they have. And the headset. Let's just wait for me to finish unboxing this. Underneath, we have here the pouch. Oh, I like the pouch. It's so big. Of course, you're gonna put the headset inside. Okay, so we have here some splitters and some cables, additional cables that I already mentioned earlier. And we have here the detachable mic with the mic cover. I don't know what to call this. Ooh, this is so nice. Okay, let's check on the headset right now. Underneath, we still have some manual and warranty card. I'm so excited for this headset because it boasts the Blue voice technology that only this headset have right now with Logitech. Oh geez. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. This is not the typical Logitech style headset that you'll see because most of the Logitech headset is super bulky and this one is just so simple, elegant, and minimalist. Ah, it's also super comfy, huh? I'm so excited to check on the mic. With the Blue voice technology, I can't really hear anything. So I need to remove it so I can hear myself. With the Blue voice technology, you don't really need to use an external mic for streaming because I'm sure that everyone here, everyone who plays want to have a really clear voice communication when it comes to playing. So with the Blue voice technology, it will make your life simple. It is like a condenser mic in a headset, and this would really help streamers and gamers to improve their content, how they communicate with other players. Aside from that, it has a memory foam and a leatherette headband, and it has a Pro here, the Logitech G logo here on the side, and let's check on the mic.
I like
like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corner of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I've fallen deeper, baby, be prepared. Okay, so we're done testing the mic of this Logitech G Pro X, and we're done unboxing the full Logitech peripherals. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to join the Logitech G group that is above there in the description. And see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching again. This is Kang, and bye-bye!